So I'm going to pop this in here because that's ready to do for next week. But what I am going to do is work on my bunny. And I was going to cut him out of some fabric. I was going to cut him out of something like this and just cut a bunny shape. But then I found some bunny stamps. So I think I'm going to do that instead. Right, let's just press him down where the bits that didn't come out before. That's much better. Okay, so I have my bunnies. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut them out. Just quickly cut this bit off. And I'm going to have a little think about which one I want to use. But they're all pretty cute. So I want to sort of do some stitching to sort of, you know, to them before I put them into my book. Because this will keep me going for a whole week. So as you can see, I've started on my bunny. So I'm just going to show you very quickly what I've done so far. I've got some bullion knots, I think that's what you call them, for this little bit that was on top of his head. I've seen a picture. And it's this hat, which I've done little seed stitches in. I haven't finished that yet. I've got to do some more dark green ones on there. I've done a sort of, what do you call them? Oh, let me think. I've got it written down. I forget the names. I forget. Lazy Daisy one. Like the Lazy Daisy, but just the one loop. That's what it is. So I've done one of them for his eyes. I'm not sure if it's going to work. Once I've done the rest of his face, which I'm going to do seed stitching again because it's so small. So I haven't done the turnip yet. I'm going to work on the rest of his body. And I was going to do quite long stitches, but I don't know. I think I'll just carry on doing seed stitches. His tail I did with the turkey stitch. And this is just my really bad satin stitch, which is why I'm doing seed stitches down here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom in. I think that might be easier for you. There we go. And I'm just going to do little tiny seed stitches for his fur down the bottom like this. Because I'm not that good at the satin stitch. I don't know why. I can't get the hang of it. I'm going to practice. I am practicing. So I'm using 3 strands of embroidery thread on my needle, which seems to be working fine so far. So far, so good. I hope you can see. I may move out of frame. I'm sorry about that. Trying to keep it sort of flat as well. Does hurt your fingers after a while, doesn't it? Now this is all I'm going to do. But I just thought I wanted to show you how I was doing my little Benjamin bunny. I know it's going to take a little while, and now I'm behind on my page because I haven't done anything else to my page because I want to do my bunny. I wanted this video to go out last Wednesday, but because I'm now back at work, I just don't have enough time in my life to make the videos I want to make. This is why I've started this sort of at home, sitting watching TV in the evening, and I can't video then. So I'm like, it's very frustrating that I can't make all the videos that I want to. So do bear with me. I am trying to keep up, but I may drop to 2 a week occasionally. I'm going to try and still aim at 3. But at the moment, I think I'm only managing 2 a week. I used to have loads in reserve, but those days are gone. And in the summer, it's a lot easier because we get a lot more light. Today is a glorious day. It is sunny and there's blue sky and it's about freezing point. So my heating is on. I don't want to be I don't want to be cold. So this is all I'm going to do, guys. I know, exciting stuff, huh? And then I'm going to fill in around it in I think he's quite white, isn't he, down his front. So I may just fill that in with some more. I haven't got white, I've got this sort of off-white, so it's going to have to be that. I've got some already on a needle. Right, I'm going to stop and check that I've actually filmed this and I haven't been too close. So as you can see, I have finished doing my bunny tummy, and I've done his scarf as well, or his blankie, whatever. And I'm just doing his hat. So I've done some pale, but I thought I'd give it a bit of variegation, and I'm doing some darker green as well. Now I think I can do it down here because I've got my camera in the right place now. And again, I'm just doing little seed stitches. This piece is so tiny that I just need to keep everything little. How big is it? I don't even know how big it is. 6. Oh, he is actually about 4.5 centimetres by 7. So quite tiny. And I do struggle with little tiny things. But you know, you've got to challenge yourself. If any of you are watching this and haven't seen why I'm doing it, then this is part of the Journal of Stitchery. So obviously, if you are just watching this and you have not a clue what's going on and why am I stitching a bunny, then do pop over and see Rachel at Roxy Creations and Sarah at Roxy Creations by Sarah, because they have this amazing project going, and it is, honestly, I never thought I'd be doing embroidery in my life, but I am absolutely loving it. Absolutely. It's very relaxing, and just putting the needle in and out, it's quite mindful. And I need a bit of mindfulness in my life at the moment. So this is absolutely perfect. You can still catch up. I do believe that they both have playlists where you can just, you know, pop along to their channel and start. Oops, I went down the same hole, undid my stitch. You know, start watching from the beginning. You know, the playlists are going to be there, so you can join in whenever you like. As you can see, it's really coming along. I'm going to finish this off. I'm going to finish his ear, and I'm going to do his feet. I'll just do a satin stitch for his feet. And then I've got to do his face. You know, I've got lots to do yet. So I'm going to finish him off, and then I'm going to start doing, I'm going to go back to doing my page. So I need more lace on this, and I'm in an hour about where I'm going to put these, or whether I'm going to put them on at all, to be honest. It's just the most amazing project that I've ever done, I think. I just love it. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling, and I'm going to stop sewing because I've got to go to work. So I'll see you all again soon, guys, and we'll do a bit more. Hopefully I'll be back to do some more of my background. Bye for now.